So today we're putting some toe arms in the G35/350Z.
This is a G35, I think.
Yeah, but it works. It's the same kit for both of them. The 2+2 350Z.
2+2.
And you gotta take out this bucket here. We're gonna have a video of doing that on the other side, so it's not too freaking long for you guys. And we got the SPC camber arms to get rid of these rice holes, and pretty much gonna be putting the eccentric washer bolt that came with it back under there, and then we have the eccentric delete for the toe arms right about here with these nice squares. You need a 19 and a 17. That's pretty much all you need. 2 of each, and 54 foot-pounds of dimmadams. So now that we're snugging up this eccentric washer bolt setup on the camber arm here, we gotta get that all snugged up, and then
the internet's gonna be like, why are you using eccentric washers?
You don't really have a choice, I don't think, unless we bought another delete kit there.
Probably.
That would be nice.
It's not moving the head, right?
No, the head's staying still over there.
We actually don't even need that jack anyways. We have a jack right there.
Oh wow.
Oh, funny guy.
Oh yeah. I was like looking for one.
Snug it to approximately 54 foot-pounds by just judging with your wrists.
No, you gotta use a torque wrench, always.
Nope, judge with your wrists.
That's definitely 50.
These guys are bad influences on everybody.
Yeah, we don't do that.
Alright, we're torquing this puppy. Oh yeah, it's
Probably about 200 foot-pounds right now.
Alright, we're good. Now put up 17. Ooh, put 17 on it.
What is that one at?
Probably 54 as well. I think most of the suspension parts go to 54.
They just guess. They're like, that'll work.
Like 54 seems legit, not 55,
I'll do
not
this one
50.
from the nuts so the whole world doesn't hate on me. Why are you talking from the bolt side?
Do you have the 17?
Yeah.
Okay. Stuff a 17 puppy in there. It's a weird angle to go for. Yeah.
Also
that's also over torque. We're good. Not falling off, that's for sure. All right, and now we can try to put the toe arm in, which is pretty good news. So here you go with the camera.
Camera.
Get me this thing, and we're gonna take one of these.
What do you want? Oh, freaking alignment tech.
Oh, it needs to be longer. Take your side too out, because I don't want to make it all weird. That way, other way.
Oh
yeah, the way you're going.
First.
All right, now. A little more.
Like a fucking decade.
Alright, that should be good. That's alright. That's not bad. Oh no.
Yeah, that's pretty close.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Close enough.
Make sure the red thing goes down.
Oh yeah, you do want that.
Yeah, that'll be a bitch.
I was like, wow, that would suck. You want to do that first, or just put this?
Yeah, no, I want to adjust this one first. Alright, so the eccentric thing should go up or down the square.
However it fits.
I think it'll fit either way. It's just a square.
No, well, it might bottom out here.
I think. Yeah, move it up a little bit.
Can't get a good angle.
Yeah, it went down.
That's fine then. As long as it fits in between the little spots, we're good.
There's that. And here's this.
Tight on this side.
Oh, did it not snug in?
I don't feel like it might.
It'll snug in.
Might pull it.
It'll definitely snug in when we go. Well, not really, but you get it. Torque this puppy up underneath it where the old spring bucket's at.
Size now to make everyone happy again.
Want the 19 on this side? There you go. Wait. There. $54 foot-pounds.
Not that tight.
That's not that tight at all, but like it's apparently spec, so.
Camber.
No, or we could just tighten this up like a normal human would.
Camber.
Jack, stop with the camber.
You don't want the camber?
No. Remember, it's gonna be a race car now instead of a
Stance
stance mobile. These ones don't like to turn.
They're not attached to there.
Fucking. There's the shithole. This one is new.
Yeah, I want to use
This is for the other side.
Oh, we have to reuse this?
Yeah, you gotta reuse that one.
Okay.
That snugs through there. It's not exactly lined up. Did you camber it out? You totally cambered it out.
No, I didn't. The camber helped.
I'm sure it
The
did.
camber to get it in spot.
Alright, whatever. Gets alignment anyways. It looks so much better under here without that ugly bucket. It's so much nicer.
I can't really see. It looks pretty close though.
Here, want me to go either way with it? Which way does it need to come? Here.
Maybe I just have to bash it.
Yep, there you go.
Bash it.
Quick
I was like, it looks
basheroo.
lined up, dude. I don't know. We'll make sure all those fucking things are tightened up there.
Yeah. The toe is probably all sorts of fucked up.
Sure it is.
Alright, we got the toe arm in here. And the camber arm in here. Tighten it, pretty simple.
Alright, now we can torque it. I'm gonna go a little over around the bolt side.
Hopefully by the time we're done doing the suspension, should be able to fit these on there without a problem.
Spec squad.
If anyone ends up buying the SPC camber arms, they tell you that you need to buy 2 boxes of the alignment eccentric washers, but you only need to buy 1. They're just fucking with you. It comes with 2 bolts per one, so don't bother spending another 56 bucks or whatever it is for one of these fucking things.
You have safety glasses? It's already freaking cool.
You want safety glasses?
Let's pull it out like this. Ten years later. We're not even showing threads yet, man. We gotta do something. Should return those things.
You got more bolts,
I don't know,
just
dude.
in case anybody else.
Why are those ones bent and those ones not bent?
Because they're not made at a rice factory. Good question.
Is that for like wheel clearance or something? For doing fat
Well, that was pretty
Angle.
We'll find out when it hits the ground.
fat rear angle forklift tech? This is
Oh,
how
tighten
proper alignments are done.
Yeah, exactly. Stick a bolt in both ends and see when it goes through. That's exactly right. Money. Let's go ahead and tighten this up.
Pretty cool, dude.
Pretty cool.
Pretty sick.
Not as cool as Justin. So we got them on. This shithole's out of there. They look good. There's the toe arm. Camber arm. Probably gonna have to loosen these ends though, because we gotta put some BCs or Fortunatos in here once I figure out which ones I want to fucking get. And these rice lands, yeah. These things lasted a year. It lasted, actually they didn't die yet. I mean, there's no motor in the car, so I didn't get to see how long they actually lasted. Lasted longer than the fucking motor, I guess.